Alrighty guys, I have a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. I'm not sure what the trim is. Here, let's come over here and look. It's a very nice one. It's very loaded. As you can see, Chrysler emblem there. And we're gonna take a tour of it, start it up and show the engine and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's start her up, get her going. Alright, it does got the it's very loaded. Like, you can press this to lock it and unlock it. Oh my. Yeah, we took this on vacation, so I love the steering wheel in this too. Alright, push your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. Very cool. Nice. Alrighty, so you got your very smooth steering wheel, nice and fluid. Very nice power steering. I believe I could do it with one finger. Yes, I can. And here's the automatic headlights. I think they're not on, so we'll just turn them like that right now. Alrighty. What the? Okay. It does got a good stereo on it too. So, never mind. Okay, yeah. We'll just turn it down. Alright. Music muted. Okay, cool. And it does got a transmission here. I'm not sure exact about the speeds. You have to push it in and do that. Here, watch this. Alright. And then there's the parking brake right there. Oh, it says the parking brake. Oh, cool. With the brake. Cool, it pulls the brake forward. I never knew that. Alright, here's the blinkers. Alrighty. Alright, let's cut on the hazards. And headlights. Oh, and fog lights. Cool. Alright. Let's check out under the hood of this thing too. Alright. Take this key with us. Roll down the window just in case. Alrighty. Yeah, it beeps at you a couple times if the key's out of the vehicle. Here, let me put this in my pocket. We can open up the hood of this thing. If I can find the lever. Oh, cool. Alright, so it's a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6, I believe. I'm not sure what type of engine this is, but it is very powerful, guys. I'll show you the acceleration of this soon. Alright, there we go. This got LEDs all around. Only like for the headlights and taillights. And I'll show you how the doors work in a second. And the key fob. Oh yeah. This thing is awesome. Alright, shut up, car. Alrighty. Alright, key fob has not left the vehicle. It's right here. Alright, let me try this again. Alright, so that's how you shut it off. And then you have to press your foot on the brake to start it, so. Here, we'll get a revving clip of it. And I'll get an exhaust clip too. Yeah, it has a rev limiter. Oh well. Such a cool van. Let's hop up back up here. Show you how this thing works. Here, a little turn off the power and then turn it on without the brake. So how to turn the power on? Here, let me. Yeah, it turns off the radio. And so to turn the power on without the brake, with like just turning the power on, not the engine, you just press this twice, and another press will turn it off. Alrighty, so we just did that. I know nothing about these, so don't judge me. Controls. Alright. Oh, cool. Let's get over here. Alright, there we go. Alright, you got your heated seats. You got settings about that. You got assist. User guide, nice. Climate control off. Alright. I don't want to see that. Oh. Alrighty. Now let's show you the rest of the vehicle. Alright, come on, get out of here. And this has got a black leather interior, or no, a brown leather interior with orange kind of stitching. Alright, so how this key fob works, I got two of them here, is this is the unlock button, obviously, unlock and lock. This is the trunk, this is the remote start, this is the left door, and this is the right door. You have to press them twice. Here, I'll give you a startup clip. There you go. There you go. There goes that. And then, to open the doors, you have to open this one by pressing it twice. Voila, magic. Not really, but still, you get the point. Alrighty. And then there's another button in here to shut the door with. I'm just gonna use the key fob. Beautiful. And then here's the trunk. I'm trying not to show the license plate, but this is a rental vehicle, so I don't care. And then there's the button for the trunk, and there's a 12-volt power outlet. Alright. That is so cool. I wonder if this will work in like 20 years if it's in a junkyard or something. Like one of those things. There goes that. It's like, I'm coming for you. I don't know. Anyways, we'll just hop up here. My headphones are up here. I'm trying not to step on them. Here you go. Now I'll just give you a demo of what this button does. That was a weird noise. I don't care. I'm not gonna send this seat because it's too far forward. And I'm like 6 foot. I'm way above this vehicle. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching this video and take care everybody.